Welcome to the video about BTG Pactual's history. This video explores BTG Pactual's journey from a small brokerage firm to a dominant financial institution in Latin America, analyzing its business model, competitive edge, digital transformation, and future outlook. We will examine how it has thrived in an evolving financial landscape while tackling challenges like fintech disruption and regularly scrutiny. The audience will gain deeper understanding of BTG Pactual's role in shaping Latin America's financial markets, its key strengths and challenges, and what lies ahead for the investment giant. How did BTG Pactual become Latin America's top investment bank? From a small firm in 1983 to a powerhouse in investment banking, wealth management, and digital finance with a market value of 181.7 billion reais, according to BTG Pactual's 2024 Investor Relations Report. Its journey is nothing short of remarkable, but what makes it stand out from its competitors and how it managed to thrive despite industry challenges. In this video, we'll break down its rise, business model, digital innovation, and future. Stay tuned. BTG Pactual was founded in 1983 by economists André Esteves, Luiz César Fernandes, and Paulo Guedes as a small brokerage firm in Brazil. The founders saw an opportunity to create a firm that combined technical expertise with an entrepreneurial spirit, which would eventually differentiate BTG Pactual from traditional banks. In 2006, it was acquired by UBS for $2.5 billion, rebranding as UBS Pactual. This acquisition was expected to create a stronger international presence for the firm. However, just 3 years later, it was reacquired by its partners, merging with BTG to form BTG Pactual. The move was strategic, allowing the firm to regain its independence and reinforce its position as a Latin American investment powerhouse. As of 2024, BTG Pactual manages 1.3 trillion in assets according to its annual report. This makes it the largest independent investment bank in Latin America, surpassing Itaú BBA in some market segments. The bank now operates in more than 10 countries, handling billion-dollar deals, expanding its wealth management division, and leading into digital finance. This rapid expansion underscores BTG's ability to capitalize on emerging market opportunities. Now, it specializes in investment banking, providing advisory services on mergers and acquisitions, IPOs, and corporate finance. It has worked on some of the region's biggest deals, including the $10 billion acquisition of Votorantim Cimentos and advising Petrobras on multiple financial transactions, as reported by Bloomberg in 2023. These transactions have positioned BTG as a leader in corporate finance. Its wealth and asset management division handles 500 billion reais, catering the institutional and private investors according to its latest investment reports. This division is crucial in securing long-term capital for the firm, ensuring steady growth despite market volatility. But BTG isn't just for the big players. With BTG Pactual Digital, it's stepping into Brazil's booming fintech sector, offering digital banking and investment tools to over 2.5 million retail clients, based on the data from the Brazil Central Bank. The expansion helps BTG compete directly with fintech disruptors like Nubank and XP Investimentos. To stay ahead, BTG Pactual is investing heavily in AI and digital banking. Automated trading, predictive analytics, and tech-driven customer experiences keep it at the forefront of finance. The bank recently allocated 1.5 billion reais to technology development, according to its Q4 2023 earnings report. This investment is critical to maintaining its competitive edge. However, its journey hasn't been without controversy. In 2015, André Esteves, one of the most influential figures in Latin American finance, was arrested amid corruption allegations tied to the Lava Jato investigation. The scandal shook Brazil's financial sector, leading to an uncertainty around BTG Pactual's future. The bank moved swiftly, restructuring its leadership and reinforcing its governance to contain the crisis. Yet, despite the turbulence, BTG remained resilient, reproving that its foundation was strong enough to withstand the shock. In 2018, after years of legal battles, Esteves was acquitted of all charges. His reputation restored. He made a strategic return to the bank's leadership in 2022. The Financial Times and the Bloomberg covered his comeback, highlighting his role in shaping BTG's renewed vision. Under his leadership, BTG aggressively worked towards digital expansion, aiming to compete with the emerging fintech disruptors and solidify its dominance in investment banking. But the banking industry is changing. The rise of digital first fintech giants like Nubank is reshaping consumer behavior. Traditional financial institutions are under pressure to adapt or risk losing relevance. While BTG Pactual has made significant strides in digital banking, the challenge lies in balancing its legacy in investment banking with the agility of fintech disruptors. Can it leverage technology to maintain its dominance? We don't know, we'll have to see. BTG Pactual's story is one of resilience, innovation, and strategic reinvention. From a small investment boutique to a financial powerhouse, its ability to navigate crisis, embrace digital transformation, and remain competitive has solidified its leadership in Latin America. With a renewed focus on digital expansion, AI driven financial solutions, and a growing client base, the bank is positioning itself for the future, but the challenges remain. The competition is intensifying, regulatory scrutiny is increasing, and economic fluctuations could shape the road ahead. Can BTG Pactual continue to lead its rapidly evolving financial landscape, or will the next wave of disruptor redefine the industry? Only time will tell. That's all. Thank you very much. Bye.